Just now we have seen the connections for the experiment to perform load test on alternator. The purpose of our experiment is to perform load test because we need to find the regulation of this alternator. So now how to conduct this experiment? So as per the connections we have seen, alternator is coupled to the decision motor, 3-point starter is connected here. So first we need to start the motor as a prime mover. This is prime mover for the alternator. After starting this motor, we need to adjust the speed of the motor to the 1500 rpm here. And if speed is less than this 1500 rpm, at that time we need to adjust the feed regulation. Means the feed rheostat is connected in the motor circuit. So this is that rheostat which is connected in the field circuit of the motor. By increasing the field resistance, we are going to adjust the speed to 1500 rpm. The next step is we need to give excitation to the alternator. So for that purpose is DC to supply here. This switch we are going to make on. And after making this switch on, we need to adjust the field current of in the exciter circuit by using this rheostat. So in this way we are going to adjust the terminal voltage of the alternator to the 230 volt, 230 volt. The reason is we need to perform the load test, and to perform the load test we need to keep input constant. So for alternator, the input is 230 volt and the terminal voltage is 230 volt because we are going to switch on the lamp bank at this volt. We need to supply 230 volt constant for the all load, entire load. So this experiment we are going to conduct for 4 or 6 different load conditions, and for every load condition we need to adjust the 1500 rpm which is the input and the terminal voltage 230 volt, and we need to record the field current value as well as the load current value here in this ammeter and the terminal voltage 230 volt. So in this way we are going to conduct the load test on the alternator. So the 230 volt will remain constant, 1500 rpm speed that will remain constant, and for four different values of field current we will get the load current. So this will complete the first part of the experiment, that is the load test. Now for the purpose of regulation, as per the definition, regulation is what? It is the ratio of change in the terminal voltage when the load is thrown off to the rated terminal voltage. So we need to throw off the load at particular value of the load field current or particular value of the load. So that load we are going to throw off. So for that purpose we will assume that the last reading, whatever last reading will be there, at that last reading we are going to switch off entire load of the lamp bank here. So what will happen because of this? The speed of the alternator, this motor alternator set will increase, and there will be the rise in voltage that we will record here. So this is what the change in the voltage or the rise in the voltage when the load is thrown off at rated condition. And subsequently we are going to reduce the field current, and corresponding value of the field current we are going to record the change in the voltage. This will give you the value of the regulation. So now we are going to start our experiment. So this is the DC1 supply is connected to the motor. So I am going to make this switch on, DC1. So this LED gives idea about the DC1 switch is on. And now I can start the motor by using this 3-point starter. So slowly, gradually I am moving this starter. Now here the motor is started. Just see here. And we are going to check the speed of the motor, whether it is 1500 rpm or something else. So now we observe that the speed is 1537 and 1437. So I am taking help of the field regulator which is connected in the motor field circuit, and I am increasing that speed. So we can observe that the speed is increasing. 1485 rpm. Now it is 1506 or 1510.
थोड़ा सा कमी कर किंचित.
So moderately it is around 1500 rpm we can say. Yes.
बस.
Okay. Now it is 1500 rpm. So now I have to excite the field winding of the alternator. So for that purpose, DC2 switch is there, which is connected in the field circuit of the alternator. So I have made this DC2 switch on, and now here we can see there is a little voltage on the voltmeter, and there is some field current also here. You can check this here. So now we need to increase this voltage to the 230 volt. So this voltage 230 volt we need to keep constant. So I am moving this rheostat and I am checking whether it is going to be 230 volt. So now it is 220 volt. So now I think it is around 230 volt. Okay. So this is what our first setting. Only thing we need to check whether speed is same or not. So yes, the speed is almost same 1503 RPM. 1503. So this is what the no load. This is the no load test, because the reason is we have adjusted 230 volt supply here. Speed is 1500 RPM and the load current is 0, because we have not switched on any lamp at this instant, at this moment. We can see here across the lamp bank there is no lamp is on. So this is what the first reading, and we are going to note down these values. So the voltage is 230 volt, IF is 0.5 ampere, and the load current is 0, and speed is 1500 RPM. Okay. So this is the first reading. Now second reading. So now at this value, as we have not given any load, so there is no need to off this load, because load current is 0. So we can say this is the no load voltage of the alternator, that is 230 volt. Now I am going to switch on the lamp bank, and I am trying to maintain constant load in all three phases. So it will be the balanced load condition. So input voltage will remain constant 230 volt. छोटा एक मोठा झाला, मोठा बंद करे, 3 नंबरचा बंद. हां बस, आता एक छोटा वाय म्हटलं 3 किंवा 4, 3 किंवा 4, थर्ड रो किंवा फोर्थ रो. हां बस झालं. So now here we can see the 3 lamps are on, balanced R phase, Y phase and the B phase. Balanced. So wattage of this bulb is 60 watt small bulb, 100 and 100 watt for the big bulb. So now here we can see there is the drop in the voltage because we have increased the load. So now we need to increase the voltage to 230 volt, and again if we record the speed is reduced because of the increase in the load. So now I need to adjust the speed to 1500 RPM again, 1474. थोड़ा सा वाला, थोड़ा slightly. So now here we can see the speed is around 1500 RPM. Okay, the speed is 1500 RPM, and the voltage is, we need to adjust again voltage to 230 volt. Voltage is reduced little bit, so we need to take care that we need to supply the load at the constant voltage, terminal voltage, that is 230 volt. So here this is 230 volt. This is the field current, and this is the load current. So now here we can see the load current is 0.5 ampere. You see, the field current is 0.52. 0.52. Voltage is 230 volt. Second load. So here we are going to conduct first load test. This part, terminal voltage 230 volt, load current, whatever we are going to get according to load, and the corresponding field current. So now the third reading we are going to take by increasing the load. मोठा
1 किंवा 2 मधला हा नाही लहान झाला मोठा झाला बॅलन्स झाला.
Now here again we can see
बॅलन्स
in each phase.
नाही हा छोटा करेक्टली चालू 3 किंवा 4 मध्ये हां बॅलन्स झाला.
So 100 watt bulb is on and 60 watt bulb is on in each phase.
बॅलन्स लोड
So this is the balance load condition.
स्पीड.
So now again the speed is dropped because of increasing the load. So I am going to increase the speed first to 1500 RPM.
स्पीड ड्रॉप थोडासा
So after this.
हां बस.
Okay, it is 1500 RPM and the voltage is reduced, so I am going to increase it. Now here voltage is around again 220 volt. So I need to adjust this to 230 volt. So now here we can see this is the 230 volt. Okay. So now we can note down this reading.
IF
So IF is 0.5,
0.5
0.56,
0.56
0.56 and IL is 1.25 ampere.
ओके.
So the next reading, again we need to switch on the lamp so that we can increase the load.
एक लाख हां एक झाला. आता 3-4 मधला एक 3-4 नाही हां झालं. आता 1-2 मधला झालं बॅलन्स.
So now here we can see the 260 watt bulbs are on. दोनों कितने
झालं 3 3
तीन है ना. Okay, 360 watt bulbs are in each phase.
1 बिग 2 स्मॉल.
नहीं इधर जाता है.
नहीं, नहीं, बरोबर है.
ठीक है.
ओके बॅलन्स लोड.
So balance load condition.
स्पीड ड्रॉप.
Again we need to check the speed. Speed should remain around 1500 RPM. So I need to increase the speed of the alternator. So I am gradually increasing it.
बस
So it is 1501.
वोल्टेज
Again I need to check the voltage. It should be 230 volt because I need to supply this load at the same voltage 230 volt. So it is okay now. So for this set the readings are field current is 230 volt.
IF
IF is 0.58
0.58
ampere
लोड करंट
and the load current is 1.7
1.7
ampere.
ओके.
So now
एक दिवस छोटा एक छोटा झाला.
again we can try for the one more reading here.
एक मोठा झालं 4 झालं. आता 3 आणि 4 मधला एक 3 आणि 4 मध्ये हां बस झालं जमलं. 1-2 मधला एक झालं जमलं. बॅलन्स
So this is the balance load.
3 स्मॉल
100 watt bulb is on in each phase and 3 60 watt bulbs are on.
चल गेलो.
Now again we need to adjust the speed because we have to increase the load. Speed is dropped down.
थोडंसं थोडं बस.
So now it is adjusted to 1500 RPM.
वोल्टेज
Now again check because of increase in the load, voltage is dropped down to 224 or 227 volt. So now again I have made it to 230 volt, 230 volt.
IF
So for this load condition we are going to note down the readings.
IF
So IF is 0.59,
6
0.595 or 0.6 we can write,
6 IL
and IL is 2.1 ampere.
2.1 ओके.
So this completed the load test on the alternator. If we see here. So for the purpose of measurement of regulation on the alternator, as per the definition, we are going to switch off the load at that particular load condition. So now the load condition is this 5. Now here load is of 2.1 ampere. Corresponding field current is 0.6 ampere and the rated voltage is 230 volt. So now if at this condition, if I have thrown off the load, what will happen? That we need to check. So naturally as I am going to switch off the load, the voltage will rise. So I am going to make this switch all lamps off. Any color?
वर 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 आणि वरती करा. वर करा.
You can, yes, the motor speed is
तिकडे बघा.
increased.
Alright. हा एक राहतो ना हा. थांब. थोडा खाली जाता
Bus. Okay. Now we can see here entire load is thrown off at the same load current. 2.1 ampere and 0.6 ampere field current. Now here we can check the same field current is there 0.6 ampere. So around 0.6 ampere. This is the rise in the voltage we can see.
200.
So it is around 271 volt. 271 volt.
271.
And here we can check the
लोड करंट 0.
load current is zero, which indicate this is the no load condition or the load thrown off condition.
नेक्स्ट आता
So
आहे
now corresponding value of the, so because of the some practical limitation and for the purpose of ease, we are reducing the field current now, and we will assume that at this field current, at this load, load is thrown off, and we are going to record the change in the voltage or rise in the voltage. So I am going to adjust this value to 1.58 ampere field current here. So just check whether it is 0.48 ampere. 0.48 ampere.
0.5. आता ही 0 बघ.
Yes. Now it is 0.48 ampere. And the corresponding value of voltage is 267 volt. 267 volt. And the load current is 0.
नेक्स्ट आता
The
आहे
next value is 0.56 ampere.
0.56.
So I am reducing this current field excitation to 0.56 ampere. So now yes, it is 0.56 ampere.
E0.
And the corresponding value of the
E0.
E0 load thrown off voltage is 263 volt.
263. Okay. The last 0.52. 0.52.
So the next is the for 0.52 ampere. Here we can check the no load voltage is 260 ampere.
260 volts.
260 volt. Sorry.
चला.
So in this way we have completed the experiment of the load test on alternator, and we are going to check the regulation values when the load is thrown off. Okay, thank you. So one by one I am switching off the all load supply. First I have made field excitation off and then the motor off. Okay, thank you.